but I just can't win the fight. I'm slowly drifting, a vagabond. But just when I ran out of road, I met a man I didn't know, and he told me that I was not alone. He picked me up and turned me around. He placed my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, because he healed my heart, he changed my name, forever free. I'm not the same. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, oh, I thank God. Yeah, I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, I thank God.